Hey everyone, I'm playing Rugrats about Grandpa's teeth, and Chucky and Tommy are looking for Spike. Oh my god, I'm so scared to go to the maze. 3, 2, 1.
Don't be scared, Chucky.
Okay.
Spike, boy.
Oh dear.
Which way now?
Oh dear. Oh my goodness.
Don't be scared, Chucky.
Oh my god, there's that bird. Stupid bird. Yeah, say to you, pal.
Which way now?
Where's that mean bird?
Come on, Chucky. Thank you, stop.
Stupid bird.
Don't be scared, Chucky. Run away. Don't leave me.
There we go. That's better.
Come on, Chucky.
Hate that bird. He's a jerk.
Wait for me, Tommy.
Wait a second. Is that bird still here?
There got to be some way out of here. There he is.
Oh, we found Spike.
Frankie, let's kick him. I got him, Tommy.
Chucky, run faster. No, we have to save Chucky.
That goose sure can waddle. Help, Tommy, help! Make him stop! Help, Tommy, help! Make him stop! Help! Don't stop, Spike!
No. No, I'm gonna kick that bird's butt.